Hello there, welcome. Today I'm going to tell you how to make a lightening body cream, so stay tuned. This channel is about skincare tips and recipes. I post 3 times a week. Subscribe to my channel so you don't make the same mistakes I did. To make a lightening body cream first you need a base, a good base. You need 500 ml of base cream. You can use the base you make yourself, an organic base, but the strength of the cream is not going to be as strong as when you use an industrial base, like an organic base, like the base you make from scratch at home that doesn't contain anything, no chemicals, nothing. You can use that, it will still work, but it's not going to be as strong as the one when you use a base that already has lightening properties in it. Okay, so a good base, like there are some bases that are not good. Okay, make sure you get a good base. An example of a good base that I would advise you to use would be an example of a good base that you can use is you can use Aboni cream. Aboni cream is a bit it's not too thick, so if you feel like the consistency is too watery for you, you can supplement with a secondary base like Dr James. Okay, you can also use Dr James. This whitening cream is also a good base. Don't use Dodo or Clinique, please stay away. Okay, those creams are not good for you. Okay, look for a good base. Or if you are scared of industrial bases, make your own base, but it's not going to be as the lightening effect is not going to be as strong as the one that you bought a lightening cream. All right. Okay, after your 500 ml base, the next thing you need is 1 bottle of skin free milk. 1 bottle of skin free milk. This is skin free milk. This is how it looks like. Then the next thing you need is 1 bottle of magic derma. This is magic derma. It comes in this carton. Yes, this is how magic derma looks like. You need 1 bottle of this. This is how it looks like inside. You also need 5 days action milk, 1 bottle of this. This is how it looks like. And then you need 5 days action. Sorry, not 5 days. 7 days action serum. 7 days action serum. I use Citro clear. Okay. Then you need 30 ml of vitamin E oil. Okay. Don't omit any of these ingredients. Okay. Don't omit any of these ingredients. I know some people are sharing the incomplete recipe, but if you use an incomplete recipe, you might get a reaction. Boils in your back, let's say boils or bumps, tiny bumps in your back, which can cause dark spots. And if you do get those white bumps in your back, there's a way to treat it. Do not despair. In case you already use the incomplete recipe and you get these bumps in your back, just warm some sulfur into almond oil and rub on it, and that will take care of it. Eating Nero over here, I just wanted to let you know that I'm the person at the thumbnail, and this is the recipe I used to achieve those results. So I just wanted to show you the kind of results you'll be getting. You get that and even lighter than that. I'm no longer that light because that's not my ideal tone. I have something I'm trying to achieve, and that was not it. I was just testing it out, and I got that result in like 2 weeks. So it's not slow, it's fast action. Skin also differ. I'm just trying to give you a time range, but skin differs, okay? But my skin is not sensitive. It's not really something that reacts very fast to cream, but it works pretty fast on me. So between that 2 weeks range, you get your results. Remember, once you get your desired skin tone, stop usage. This recipe contains steroids, so you cannot use it for long or forever. Okay, once you get to the point to get your desired skin tone, get maintenance cream, like a good maintenance cream, Aboni, Glutamine White. Remember, don't rub this and go under the sun. I advise you to use it only at night, and use your sunscreen in the day. Also use a normal moisturizing cream, because steroids thin out the skin. Okay, you want to be replenishing your skin, all right? So, and also, let's say you use it for like 4 days a week, the rest 3 days you moisturize your skin with oils and butters and moisturizing creams, anyone you choose. Okay, then you have to do this thing with sense. Once you get to your desired tone, stop, use something else. Once you see that you're becoming darker, you go back to it again. That is how you do it. You alternate. Once you reach your tone, you stop, you use the maintenance cream. If you feel you're going darker, you pick up your cream again. So that is how it's done. That is how to do it safely. Okay, don't overdo and then destroy your skin. Okay, this is the only skin you have. Repairing your skin is even a lot more expensive than damaging the skin. Okay, so thank you for watching. Share this video to somebody who you think needs it. Share this video so that person does not make mistakes. Okay, doesn't make mistakes and damage their skin, so they can know things that they need to know. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Watch my other video, my next video. Okay, bye.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.